And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and boy do I have an exciting video today. This is Splassive Network. It is a fork of none other Drip Network. Drip Network has been one of the most successful projects in crypto in the past year. This project was launched in the Binance network last summer, sometime around July. And if we take a look at the charts, it hit a low of around $6 and skyrocketed to around $168. This project made a lot of millionaires. And if we take a look at the chart now in the past week, it is selling off heavily. What better timing to rotate that money and come in here to Splassive Network? So in this video, we'll go over how you can get involved with Splassive Network. It was just launched yesterday. We'll break down the fees. And I also made a calculator. I made a Splassive Network Tracker for those of you who are invested in Splassive. You want to track your rewards. You want to track your team. You want to track airdrops. This calculator has everything. I will talk more about this calculator towards the end of the video, and it tracks your investment. I just started my position here, and this is what my investment looks like. I've invested about $820 and I'm already up $396, and I just started this today. So I'll talk more about the calculator towards the end of the video. But before we start with Splassive Network, make sure to visit my YouTube page and come and subscribe to my channel for the latest money-making opportunities. Let's get back to Splassive Network. I'm not gonna waste a lot of time with a lot of details. Everybody knows the success of Drip Network. This is one project that I was skeptical that I completely missed. And I'm very excited that there is a new project lined up while Drip is selling off. Splassive is in the Avalanche network. So this is not in the Binance network. Let's talk about how to get involved. When you come to the website, you want to go to the well. And I also forgot to mention, Splassive is paying a 2% return on your investment daily. Compared to Drip, that's 1%. So this is a very high paying reward project, 2% on your investment daily. So when you come to the well, you want to connect your wallet, you come in here and you want to buy the Splash token. Let me connect to get the latest quotes here. Okay, there we go. It's refreshed now. And the native token of Splassive is Splash. And here it shows you the price of Splash at this moment. You want to purchase the Splash token directly here from the well. There is a 10% tax if you purchase the Splash token and any other exchange. If you come here, that 10% is waived. So you want to make sure you come here to the well and you purchase it directly from the app. You enter the amount of AVAX you want to invest here, and it tells you the estimated splash that you will receive. And we'll take a look at the charts just to see what Splash is doing in a moment. So this is where you buy Splash. And here are some more statistics. There's 15,851 AVAX in there in the balance, and there is 83,067 Splash tokens there. And that is a total of about $1.1 million right now. If we go back to the main page and you scroll down, it shows you how many players are involved. There's 2,200 players already in this project. And here are the daily returns, 2%, the total supply, and the transactions count here. So let's go back to the well. So once you connect your wallet, you obtain some AVAX, and you come in here and you purchase some Splash, you need to go to the tap. This is where you stake your tokens. So for a lot of you people, this might look familiar. And if you read here, there is a 10% tax when you deposit into the tap. It does read here a minimum of 1 Splash is required for deposit. In the white papers, it states 10 Splash is required for the deposit. So I'm currently invested with 44 Splash tokens, so I'm not sure. But I'm not sure if it's 1 or 10. If you do buy 1 Splash trying to get involved and you can't get in here, you're gonna have to buy 10. And once you come in here, you want to approve the deposit. You'll get a message from your MetaMask wallet. You approve it and then you deposit. And that's how you deposit here. But before you deposit, you cannot deposit unless you are referred by someone. In this case, it will be me. You have to join the wave. In order to unlock the tab and be able to stake your tokens for a 2% return, you have to come in here and join the wave. I will leave a link under the description of this video for the wave starter address, for my address, so that you can start earning 2% rewards daily. You put my wave starter address here and then you update it, and then it will show current wave starter. I had to join and I supported the marketing and development team there. So that's who I am personally under. And if you join my team, I will be doing weekly airdrops based on the returns of my team. Some exciting stuff there. Not only do you earn 2% daily, you will also earn my weekly airdrops. If we go back up here to the tab, it shows how many tokens are available to withdraw. It shows how many tokens I've deposited. So here's the token amount, and underneath is the dollar amount. Here is how many tokens I've claimed. Here is how many tokens I've earned in rewards. This is the max payout. And this is my team here. You can also hydrate or recompound your profits to earn 2% daily. There is a 5% tax there to recompound your profits. There's a 10% tax on deposits. There's a 5% tax to hydrate your rewards. And there is a 10% tax fee there to claim. And if we read lower, Splassive, the TAP is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. So they cap you out up to 360%. So based on my deposit, I've deposited so far 44.531 Splash tokens. My max payout there is 160.313 tokens. So you will continuously need to deposit additional Splash if you want to earn extra rewards once you cap out. And just like most of these projects, when you deposit your tokens, you immediately lose that investment. That investment gets dispersed among the current investors. You will easily recoup that cost with those 2% daily rewards. There is a sunk cost every time you hydrate or you invest here in the tap. Now let's go to the next section here, the shore. Here is if you want to provide liquidity with liquidity pool tokens. Now let's take a look at the white papers to see some details. The first ever deflationary daily ROI platform on AVAX. I think they forgot the F there. 2% daily return on investment sustainability through tax and TX full team building referral system on compound interest. I'm not going to go through all the white papers, just some key points. The TAP's compound mechanism uses your current available Splash dividends and redeposits them into the TAP contract, compounding your long-term earnings by increasing your daily cash flow and also by increasing your max payout. There's only a 5% tax on compounding transactions instead of the 10% tax that is put on other Splash transactions. This 5% tax goes into the TAP pool that is used to pay daily ROIs and referral bonuses. The Splash from this tax is also paired with AVAX from the Shore liquidity staking contract and locked in the Splash AVAX liquidity pool. So there you go. Those are the only fees there when investing. There is a whale tax. So they're trying to eliminate those massive sell-offs. We have added a whale tax on withdrawals to help curb whales' ability to outpace other players in the game, forcing them to kick back some of their rewards to the community and maintain the sustainability of the project. The tax goes as follows and does not apply to anyone below these stake holdings. So most of us are the little guys, but there is some high taxes there if you're holding a significant amount of Splash. And if you're holding less than 1% of the total supply of Splash, there is no additional whale tax. If you're holding greater than 1%, there is a 5% whale tax there. If it's greater than 2%, there's a 10% whale tax, so on and so forth. So those whales who are holding a significant amount of Splash tokens, they are going to get taxed heavily there when they try to cash out. So they implemented some new metrics for Splassive to have a longer runway. Pretty awesome. So now let's take a look at the calculator. I'm going to make a complete separate video for the calculator, how it functions. I'm just going to give a quick overview of what the calculator does for those of you who are interested in tracking your position. The tracker has all the information, the website, my wave starter address. It has a token prices here. As of now, this is not automated. I will automate this once these tokens get listed in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. There is a link here to the deck screener. You can click on the link and it will open the deck screener to give you the latest price here. And if we go to Wave, Wave is a token necessary to be able to get those referrals. You click here to the deck screener, you open it, and it will show you the price of Wave. The price is up here. For example, you copy the price here, you come back to the calculator, you click on the Wave here, you click here on the current price, you come up here and you paste the current price. And this will automate the prices in the calculator. Here is the contract information for Splash. Here's the contract information for Wave. Here's the network information for Avalanche. And here is all the links you need for Splassive, their Telegram, Twitter, where to buy Splash, it's in the well, and where to buy Wave. For those of you who want to buy some Wave, this is where you buy Wave. You buy it in Pangolin, and the link is part of the calculator. And the calculator breaks down your Splash breakdown, your Wave breakdown, your Splash airdrop breakdown, and the total breakdown of your investment. And here is my current position. So make sure to watch the follow-up video to this video so I can show you guys how to use this calculator. And if you want a copy of this calculator, you need to join my Patreon, join the calculators tier, and you'll have access to this calculator or any other calculator. The other way I'm giving away this calculator is if you join my team with my Wave starter address. If you join my team, send me a direct message on Discord of your wallet address. I'll confirm the address and I will give you a free copy of the calculator. So that's the two ways you can get this calculator. You can join my team, or you can simply just come in here to Patreon and join the calculators tier. Make sure to watch the follow-up video so I can show you the complete breakdown of how to use that Splassive Network Tracker. I will leave a link under the description of this video to Splassive and my Wave starter address. I'm very excited for this project, and just like myself, there is a lot of content creators pushing this project. There is huge need for a project like this during these times, and you definitely want to join a team here. There's going to be crazy rewards coming in the next few months. So I'm just excited that I have an opportunity. I missed Drip, and I know a lot of people miss Drip, and now we get a second chance, and there's money rotating to Splassive. So if you enjoyed this content, please make sure to come and hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I have a lot of projects lined up here with a lot of great opportunities and making videos on projects that have not launched yet to be the very first ones in line there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the calculator video. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.